In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a regular email campaign in Mailchimp. We'll walk through the exact flow from starting a campaign to sending it, so you can follow along with your own account. Begin by heading to the left sidebar and opening Campaigns. This is your home base for everything you send. From here, click Create. You'll see a few options, but for a standard newsletter or announcement, choose Email. When prompted, select Regular Email. This is the classic one-to-many message, perfect for most use cases without automations or special testing. Next, give your campaign a clear name and click Begin. The name is for internal use, so choose something descriptive, like the purpose and date, to keep your workspace organized. Now, add your recipients. Click Add Recipients and choose your audience. If you maintain more than one audience or have segments within an audience, be sure you're targeting the right group. It's a good habit to confirm you have permission to contact everyone on the list and that your audience is up to date. Set who the email is from by clicking Add From. Enter a recognizable sender name and a valid, verified email address. Consistency here helps subscribers recognize you and can improve deliverability. Avoid changing your sender identity frequently and use a domain you control whenever possible. Move to the subject line by clicking Add Subject. Keep it clear, concise, and aligned with the value inside your email. If preview text is available in the same area, use it to complement your subject. Think of it as a second chance to persuade the open. Now it's time to design. Click Design Email to create your content. Choose a template that suits your message, then use the drag and drop blocks to add headlines, text, images, buttons, and social links. Keep paragraphs short, highlight the key call to action, and make sure your links are correct. Add descriptive alt text to images and check that the layout looks good on mobile. Use brand colors and consistent styling so your message feels familiar. Before you move on, preview your email and send a quick test to yourself or a teammate to catch any typos or formatting issues. When everything looks right, you're ready to send. Click Send to deliver the email to your contacts. You'll typically see a final confirmation. Use that moment to double-check the audience, subject, and sender details. Then confirm, and Mailchimp will do the rest. That's it. You've created and sent a regular email campaign in Mailchimp with confidence and clarity.